This is the new XpertJet 1642WR from Muto. A 64-inch wide, new generation die sublimation printer. It offers high productivity with an incredible printing speed. The 1642WR prints with the highest quality thanks to the best-in-class dot placement accuracy. Includes new features that improve user convenience. High media compatibility is one of them. Select the optimal print head gap to prevent the risk of media contact with the head. With an improved multi-stage pressure mechanism, even thin paper rolls can be fed smoothly. Expand the media handling capability by combining with the optional heavy-duty take-up system. This new XpertJet 1642WR achieves both high productivity and high-quality printing. The XpertJet 1642WR is the perfect 4-color 64-inch die sublimation printer. If you have any questions, please contact us. We will be glad to help you.
For additional information, please visit us at www.inkjetbiz.com. Send us an email to orders@inkjetbiz.com. Or call us to 1-408-394-7595. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more InkJetBiz videos.